Hello everybody, this is Professor Algara and welcome to my video. I'm going to teach you how to use sweeps in SolidWorks in simple steps. And I'm also going to teach you how to use the sweep cut, which is the feature that will remove material out of the part. So let's just get started. Specifically here on SolidWorks. So let's say we have a sketch. My sketch is open. I'm not gonna go through how to create a sketch because we're already done this a lot. So if I have to create a pipe, let's say a simple pipe, what I have to do is create my path, which is this one. And then I go back. And this one looks like a perfect path. Then after that, of course, you have to fully define your path, your sketch. Since I don't have any dimensions, I will go ahead and fully define my sketch. It says under define. Well, I might need the distance. Now it's fully defined, and again I'm just using random dimensions since I don't have an engineering paper in front of me. So then after that I'm going to create another plane that is perpendicular to this one. So which one would it be? This one, the front plane? No, that is parallel. This one, that is the top plane. If I move this one in a 3D feature, you can see that it's perfectly perpendicular to that one. So I'm going to create a sketch on this particular plane. So in this particular one, I'm going to use, a simple circle. And again, that will differ from your example, and that depends on the engineering paper that you have. So I go to features and it's right here, swept boss, that's the name. And it's asking me for the profile, right? And then the path. So my profile will be given by this sketch. I can select it from the manager tree. Okay, and that's what I'm gonna do. And the path will be the first one I created. It's showing me a preview. So when I hit the check mark, I have a pipe perfectly created. So let's say that now I need to make another cut in the middle, right? If I need to create a pipe with wall thickness, right? I need to know, of course, the thickness of my wall, but I will go and select the same sketch, which is this. Then I just need to, define the thickness of the wall, of course. Now it's fully defined. I will go out of my sketch, and the swept is created. I cut it out. So that's one way. All right, I basically use the same one, by creating, the profile. But let's say I'm gonna go now here. Let's say I get rid of this one. I'll go yes, get out of my sketch, and I'm going to create a sketch on that surface defined by the circle. Smart dimension is given. I define mine, and now instead of doing what I did, I will go to features, and right here I should have the option of, there is the swept cut, which is the same one as I had, the same options. I just need to specify the profile, and my profile is the circle I just created. So now the path would be the exact same path as I had for the first feature created. If I click on it and then check mark, I have the exact same result as I had in the previous part. So by going in two different directions, you can get the same result. And again, that's totally up to you whether you want to use the same sketch or you want to place another one. It doesn't matter as long as you get the same feature.